Hey, so here's an update on the terrarium. I set up the second and third layers of the egg crate diffuser and put in a few watering trays just to test the fit. So these are some clear watering trays that are 10 by 20 inch, and I could fit 4 of them in here. So I bought a pack of 5, so that I guess one can be, the lid of the leftmost one or something in case I need some seedlings with a higher humidity or something. And it's actually not locked in here in this section. You're like, how can I remove this to clean it or whatever? This part I made it such that I could like lift out and swing out, and I could pull out the trays if I wanted to. So it's hard to put in with just one hand, so I'll do it later after the video. But yeah, so far so good. I might add another pillar right here so that this part is not too wobbly, and maybe another pillar right at the edge here, same with the other side. But so far it looks good. And also, I mean, I'm just putting a tray there to test the fit. I don't really know how wide I want this thing yet, so this is right now the width of that tray. Maybe I cut it a bit thinner or cut off the angle here just to make it look better, but that's for later. Once I put some plants in, I'll see how it goes. The third layer might be a bit too high. I might drop it down by two tiles of this diffuser, but or not. Depends on how close they are to the lights. Might be too close. But yeah, I guess next steps are setting up the radiator. So the tubes will come through that little hole in the glass with the plastic cover in the side there, and I'll set that up, I guess, later this week or next week, and I'll see how it goes. So right now, I guess this lighting is at like 10%. Let me turn it all the way up and wait until the camera adjusts. But yeah, it's really bright in there. So those top layer plants will be getting a lot of light. And I guess the majority of the light might be right here in the middle here, and might be a bit down here. The edges may be getting a bit less light, of course, like, you know, right underneath. When I have pots up here, there underneath here will be in some shade. And maybe some shade-loving, I don't know, Drosera Adelaide, however you pronounce it, or whatever lower light level carnivorous plants might enjoy, like the shady areas, instead of the blasted, like, full sun middle area. But yeah, I guess that's all for now. Yeah. See you guys later.